In this video, Bitcoin has now made a bearish cross in the daily time frame stochastic RSI, but the question is, are we going to see more Bitcoin crashes, and what are we going to do with our trades? Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So kakarating ko lang ng Manila, and I'm doing my best to give you guys all an update. And yeah, kita nyo na medyo pagod pa nga ako, but yeah, we'll try to give you guys as much as update as we can. But siguro for now, kung ano lang yung kaya mo na for tonight, then we'll just continue tomorrow kung ano ba yung mga pwede pa natin tingnan much further. But yeah, let's now dive in dito. And siguro yung pinakaunang gusto ko ipakita sa inyo is this daily time frame stochastic RSI cross in the Bitcoin daily time frame charts. Kasi if you're going to look at the daily time frame, you can find na nag-form na tayo ng bearish stochastic RSI cross. And di ba sinabi ko sa mga previous video natin, there are two things na kailangan natin i-monitor. Number one is if babalik ba si Bitcoin sa 50-week MA dito sa if let's say di ba nagkaroon ng pump, if babalik ba siya ng 50-week MA, and at the same time, ang sabi ko di ba sa inyo, if magkaroon ng daily time frame stochastic RSI bearish cross kay Bitcoin dito, then that would mean na mag-open na tayo ng short position for the short term dito with the Bitcoin price actions. And as you can see, right now, we have started forming that bearish cross. So, agad-agad ko kagad sinabi sa inyo guys sa Facebook, Instagram, as well as sa iba't ibang platforms, na I am now shifting my long position into a short position dito kay Bitcoin. And nag-open ako ng short position nga kay Wix. And as you can see, I'm already up 300% dito sa move dito ni Bitcoin. And if ever na gusto nyo rin mag-trade ng walang VPN, just like ito kay Wix, hindi ako magamit ng VPN kay Wix, as well as wala ng KYC kailangan. Mas better na gamitin ang Wix kasi yun nga, walang restriction. So if you want to sign up dito, make sure to use our sign up link in the description down below, kasi of course magkakaroon tayo ng mga merch din dyan, and I'm working this one out with them as well. So yeah, let's now dive in then dito kay Bitcoin kung ano ba nangyayari. So if you are going to open the current charts ngayon in yun yan, diba, stochastic RSI, nag-bearish cross tayo. The question is, how low are we going to get dito? And if you're going to look at the weekly time frame din kasi, nag-form na rin tayo ng bullish cross sa weekly. So in this case, ano ba ibig sabihin nito dito kay Bitcoin price action? So it could mean na pwede pang bumagsak si Bitcoin much further back to siguro around the 80,000 US dollars following the daily time frame stochastic RSI cross. Kasi if you're going to look in the daily, if you're going to look at this in the daily, ang dami pong pwedeng ibagsak dito ni Bitcoin following this daily time frame stochastic RSI. So in this case, if we are now in a short position, we are going to continue our short position up until we see the end of this bearish stochastic RSI cross, up until na mag-form siya ng bullish cross. Kasi if let's say ang mangyari dito is mag-continue tong bearish stochastic RSI cross, pwede tayong bumaba dyan hanggang dito, maybe 80,000 to 78,000 US dollars, or if mas mag-drop pa siya mas slower, then of course mas okay pa yun. But yun nga, it really depends on kailan tayo magkakaroon ng bullish stochastic RSI cross kay Bitcoin. And as much as possible, hindi natin to i-hold muna for the long term. And the reason why is, as you can see, meron nga tayong bullish stochastic RSI cross sa weekly. So, yun nga, itong short-term trade na to, for the short position, is only going to be for the short term lang. But for the long term, I don't think it's a very big entry opportunity. Siguro pwede ka mag-add ng long-term short position dito kay Bitcoin, siguro mga 30% lang. Kasi as you can see, pwede pa siyang umakit following the weekly time frame. So, even if we are 100% bearish kay Bitcoin, we have to also monitor din the weekly time frame kasi yun nga, nag-bullish cross na nga siya sa weekly. So, it could indicate na pwede tayong bumalik back to the 50-week MA. And right now, it's still too early to tell kung ano yung magiging target natin dyan. But, yun nga, in the daily time frame, bababash mo muna siya and then saka natin aabangan kung kailan tayo magkakaroon ng bullish cross dito kay Bitcoin. Now, if you're going to look at the 4-hour time frame chart or in the daily time frame chart, you can find that in this RSI chart, pwede pa siyang bumagsak dito kay Bitcoin. If let's say tumuloy yung pagbagsak ni Bitcoin following the bearish stochastic RSI cross, you would find that if let's say ang nangyari sa RSI is let's say nag-start na siyang umakyat at nag-start siya mag-increase habang bumabagsak sa Bitcoin, then that could be a sign of the bullish divergence that we are waiting for dito kay Bitcoin. So in this case, if mag-form na siya ng bullish divergence in the RSI sa daily plus magpo-form na plus nagko-continue na yung weekly time frames bullish stochastic RSI cross, then yun ay potential sign na pwede tayo magkaroon ng dead cat bounce or relief rally pabalik sa 50-week moving average. And this 50-week moving average is right now playing around the 101,000 US dollars at pwede pa siya mag-decline further depending kung saan pa lalong bumagsak si Bitcoin. And as you can see, this overall market structure na fina-follow natin is still this 50-week moving average as well as this rising wedge ni Bitcoin. And ang talagang bottom talaga nitong rising wedge is around the 54,000 US dollars or 55,000 US dollars. And for the long-term short position, that is the target natin dito. And that could also hint na pwede natin siyang sabihin na potential Bitcoin bottom for this market cycle. But as you can see sa previous movement, pwede pa rin siya magkaroon ng spillovers. Like, if na-hit na natin yung target, pwede pa siyang bumagsak lalong way further. So, in this case, i-monitor natin siya of course in the upcoming months if once na ma-hit natin tong target natin, if magkakaroon din ba siya ng spillovers just like what we saw sa previous movement ni Bitcoin nung previous market cycle. And let's dive in also sa shorter time frames pa. Let's move in to the hourly time frame or in the 4-hour time frame. So, in the 4-hour time frame, you would find that we are currently playing this ascending channel which I also posted as well sa Facebook page ko and sa Instagram channel ko na we are currently trading this. And right now, the main target for this channel is actually going to be the 82,300 US dollars, which is the bottom of this channel. So right now, naka-open ako na short position up until that area. And ang first take profit area natin is actually the around the 86,500 US dollars and namitan na nga natin siya. So nag-take na ako ng partial profits around this area. And then yung stop loss ko, ginawa ko na siyang trail stop at around the 90,000 US dollars. But if let's say mag-break pa tayo dito further at mahit natin tong 82,300 US dollars, then yung trail stop ko, i-adjust ko siya maybe around the 85,000 and then mag-take ako ulit ng isa pang profit around this area. So right now, regardless kung ano mangyari dito kay Bitcoin, if let's say bumalik siya dito sa previous trail stop natin, in profits pa din siya kasi of course, nag-take tayo ng partial profit. At the same time, yung trail stop natin is I think about 18% in profit siya. So either way, profits tayo dito sa trade natin dito with the Bitcoin price action. And ayun, I think yun yung pwede ko muna ipakita sa inyo guys for the time being kasi I don't think na kaya ko pa mag-dive deep with any other charts. But yeah, quick update lang for the time being. And yun, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, trade nyo siya kay Bybit pati kay Wix. And guys, either way, nagkitrade pa din ako kay Bybit. Andun yung long-term trades ko. Okay? So, as much as possible, if you want to receive merch kay Bybit, you have to keep on using Bybit pa din either way. Kasi, dun yung basis ng pagbigay sa atin ng Bybit ng merch. So, ayan guys, if naka-register kayo sa account ko sa Bybit or naka-register kayo sa affiliate link ko sa Bybit automatically, pwede kayo makakuha ng merch pag dumating na yung merch dito sa Pilipinas. But yeah, ang dami nating sign-up links in the description down below, so make sure to use our sign-up links just in case may dumating na merch sa mga iba't ibang platforms. But yeah, Quick shoutout lang din sa mga na nakakuha ng profits dito sa mga trades natin. Of course, ang daming nanalo dito sa latest trade natin. So, congrats to everyone who won dito sa latest trade. But anyway, yun lang muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.